Hi Bachchu, good morning to everyone of you. This is MK and today we are going to start a new chapter of class 6, chapter 7, air and water. So after long time we are coming together once again, and we are going to upload many of the videos for you, and we will learn lots of things which were important. I had lots of work, and I had lots of work in school and at home. That's why I could not upload many of the videos. But now the videos will be uploaded on its proper time, our usual time. So you will get proper videos on time. So if you face little bit problem, so don't worry. Now we are going to upload many of the videos for you. So the chapter which we are going to start, that is very important chapter, air and water. I have explained once about this chapter, but I hope you must have forgotten lots of things. That's why I'm starting once again for you, that you can learn everything easily, and you can get lots of knowledge. So let's be start. Air and water. This is the name of your chapter, and air and water are essential for life. If we have to perform life, then we need of water and air, and there are also some of more things which are very important, but air and water are very essential for performing life activities. Without air to breathe and water to drink, we cannot survive. Means water and air both are very essential for us to survive. Air and water have different properties. They look, feel and behave in different ways. Means air and water have different work. They have different work, but they play very important role in our life, in our daily life, we can say. So what is air? Let's we talk about air. Air is present all around us. Means wherever we are looking, just we can see that air is present everywhere. But we are talking about only planet Earth. All living things need air to breathe. Means the living things wherever we are seeing, means any kind of creature we are seeing, so they need of air to breathe. We breathe in oxygen that is present in the air. Means we can take ourselves, when we breathe we take oxygen and we give out CO2, means carbon dioxide. So this is the this is the process of life. The blanket of air that surrounds the planet Earth is called atmosphere. Means there is a kind of blanket around the atmosphere, around the planet Earth, that is known as atmosphere. It extends to hundreds of kilometers above the Earth. Means these things are found above the Earth, near about 100 kilometers from here, where we are living. Layers of the atmosphere. Let's we talk about this. The atmosphere has the following layers. First, troposphere. What is the troposphere? Troposphere is the first layer above the Earth's surface. This is the first layer from the Earth's surface. It extends up to 15 km above the Earth's surface. Means where we are living, from here to there, 15 kilometers we are talking. So you will find there troposphere. Change in the weather occurs in this sphere. The weather which changes according to time, according to weather, that change in the weather occurs in this layer, in troposphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends about 35 km, from about 15 to 50 km above the Earth's surface. The ozone layer forms the upper part of this layer. Means stratosphere, that is the formation of ozone layer from the upper part of this layer, which acts like a shield and it protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiations rays which comes from sunlight. Jet planes usually fly in this layer. So today whatever we have learned, just we have to focus on this. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you face a little bit any problem, so you can just contact me. I'm always with you, and now we will get videos on time. So good, learn and read this chapter, and if you face any problem, so I'm with you, don't worry. So thank you very much for watching this video.